Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking into 3 useful Excel functions. So the 3 useful functions that we're going to look into are the sum function, the count function and the vlookup function. So to start off with, we're going to look into the sum function. So as you can see, we've got some dummy data here and some prices. So what I'm going to do to use the sum function is simply do equals, then sum, and then we're going to select our range, and as simple as that, we've now got the sum of all these different prices for these different products, which obviously comes to £5.25. So yeah, very useful to use the sum function, essentially when you just want to calculate how much something comes to or whatever it might be. So next up, we've got the count function. So the count function will basically just count the amount of different cells that are populated within a column. So what I'm going to do is simply do equals and then count, and then I'm going to select my range again, and this should return 4 because you can see we've got 4 different cells populated within this column. So there we have it. So we have the result of 4. So yeah, very useful if you're looking at a column and you want to calculate the count of how many different cells are populated within that particular column. So next up, we've then got the vlookup function. So the vlookup function is very useful when you want to find a specific result based off a condition that you provide. So what I'm going to do then is for the vlookup, I'm going to do equals and then do vlookup, and then I'm going to look for the value of Chelsea. And what I'm going to do is within this table, I'm then essentially going to look for the stadium that is linked to the value of Chelsea. So I'm now going to provide the second column because that's got the stadium within it, and then I'm going to look for an exact match, so I'm going to provide false. So this should now return the value of Stamford Bridge based off the conditions that we've provided within the vlookup. So as you can see, it's now provided Stamford Bridge the value, and yeah, vlookup functions are a very useful Excel function to use when you might be doing some analysis or looking for a specific result based off a condition or whatever it might be. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.